and I'm going to demonstrate for you today how to make a hand sanitizing mist sprayer bottle. Simply made in minutes, so let's get cracking. So I've already put into the jug here, a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. So you really need to be making it in a little jug like this so that you have a little spout to pour it into your bottle. We'll make decanting easier a bit later. So with this 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, or you can use an alternative carrier oil of your choice. And then to that we're going to add 3 teaspoons of alcohol, 70% alcohol. Alternatively, you could use ethanol, high-grade vodka, or alternatively witch hazel, if that's readily available for you. And then just give that a really good mix. Now sometimes with aloe vera gel, dependent on the type of aloe vera you're using, it can make little globules in there, so just keep mixing until it's all dissolved. Now we're going to add to this now some powerhouse essential oils that are really going to give you that support that you need during this time, and also to let's see, that's super, and also to boost your immune system. So we're going to add 4 drops of wild orange, smells divine. There we go. 2 drops of protective blend. 2 drops of tea tree. And 1 drop of oregano. And again, give that a really good mix. Now this is a mix that you can make into a 30ml spray bottle, fine misting spray bottle, which is what I have here on display. Equally, you could make use of your existing essential oil bottles. We love to recycle and reuse, so I'm going to show you how to do that before we decant this. So if you have an existing essential oil bottle, simply take off the label, remove the black cap and remove the collar as well, and the orifice reducer. Clean your bottle, you can clean it in a dishwasher or boiling water. Take off the label, the sticky residue, with some lemon essential oil, and then simply get yourself a supply of these spray tops, available as with a lot of the other containers here from eosupplies.com, from our website, and then just simply pop that on and you've got yourself a 15ml spray bottle to make use of your existing essential oil bottles. So this will be a 15ml, so this mix that we're creating will make 2 of these. And then before you start to decant your essential oil infused hand sanitizing sprayer, you want to attach your label. So I'm going to do that now. Ideally, attach your label before you put the mixture into the bottle, because often you can have little spillages and then your label won't stick so well to your bottle. And then we're going to put the bottle cap sticker on the top of your cap, a little bit like the cherry on the cake. So that's our bottle, and this mix will go into there. Now these supplies are available on our website, eosupplies.com. In addition, you will be able to purchase these labels. They're available in a sheet of 10, as you can see here, if you wanted to make up lots of them for other people. Or alternatively, there will be 1 sheet available on our website that is a single label for several recipes that are part of the super simple made in minutes collection. So we've blended that all together now. So in here we've got aloe vera gel, fractionated coconut oil and some alcohol, and we're going to add some water. Just add a little bit to your mixture, just a little bit, just to blend it, and then we're going to put that into our bottle. And then you just need to top it up with water. Now ideally, distilled water is preferable, but if that's not available, some bottled water would be great. Top it up and add your sprayer fitment to the top and give it a really good shake. let's just show you what that comes out like. Now sometimes your sprayer head, when it's brand new, it takes a few pumps to get the oil out. There we go. So you will see it comes out really nice and fine mist. And give your hands a good rub together. And that, my friends, is your hand sanitizing mist sprayer. Simply made in minutes by you.